Talk to me.
So, bro, basically, I'm an online coach, and I just want some help or some advice, bro, to see how I could like brand my basically business, right? So, if
Hmm.
you have any suggestions, bro, if you could take a look at it, would be nice.
You're online what, fitness coach?
Fitness coach, yeah.
Where do you currently live?
I'm in Montreal, Canada.
Okay. How long you been making content?
Right now, bro, I'd say like consistently, I would say about like 4 to 6 months. But I've been training for like 5 years, so I like know my stuff.
Gotcha. How many videos you upload in a week? What's your Instagram? Can you put it in the backstage chat?
Yeah, for sure. It's just my first name and last name. But basically, I've been consistent like the last 2 months. I've been consistent like posting 5 times a week. That I'm getting the views, but I'm just not getting the conversions. That's the only thing. So like the sales and like people actually DMing me saying they want my help and stuff. The views are there, bro, but like you said, they don't mean anything, right? So
Yeah. Let's look at it. 1 second.
can you find me?
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. 1 second.
All right, all right. Yeah, exactly.
All right, give me a second.
No
Take a
problem,
deep,
bro.
take a deep breath.
So yeah, basically it's just like exercise that I do.
Relax.
So,
Take a deep breath. Just let me watch it. Yeah, that video getting views means absolutely nothing. Uh, so you tried to replicate it. Okay, it's showing a different. So whether you like it or not, like this video was much better than the first video because at least you gave some kind of instruction on what to do, and then your captions were actually better.
right.
So you showed something different and why it's important. And this 150,000 view video is worth way more than this 370,000 view video. So just keep that in mind. If your content is not creating value or teaching something, it's useless. Getting views where there's no building of authority doesn't really help you. Okay.
Okay.
So let me see. So you saw that format worked, and then you just
Yeah, so now
you
I've
just
been
try to
doing
spam it.
doing it like that.
Why are you trying to spam it? You're trying to spam it doing the same shit. That's not gonna work.
Yeah, but it's because it's been working on the views wise.
That
So
you already know that the views alone don't mean shit. If
yeah,
if the format works, right? Why would you just repeat the format with the same exact exercise? Why not just do the same shit for different exercises?
well, no, I've been doing different exercises. That's why.
Okay. All right. I'm about to say, bro, what the hell? Uh you're not posting enough. 5 times a week is a joke. This video you can make 20 of these videos in one gym session.
Yeah, you're right. You're
But the
right.
fact that you're posting 5 times a week, you're not going to build enough momentum.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
just started recently, like every day. Well,
This doesn't take 10 seconds. How is this? Why every day? Like you can literally just film. You can go to, you can spend 4 hours in the gym one day, just filming for the whole week.
yeah. Nah, I got you.
All right. Okay. Let me see. 11,000. I mean, for the little amount of followers you got, you're getting really good views. And yes, obviously it started to happen once you figured out that you need to follow a format. Good job. That angle works for you. This angle works for you, and you showing what not to do works for you. Good. So you kind of understand that. Now what you got to do is you got to give a little bit more information within your post, and try to make the visuals better, but be more consistent. So this is not even a week of content. This is March 3rd, or 2 weeks of content. It's not enough, bro.
Yeah, no, I haven't been consistent for sure, man.
Then good luck having a personal brand. Shit ain't gonna work.
Yeah. It's also
Shit's not gonna work.
I'm like a perfectionist, so like I want it to be good.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes it would take
perfectionist is just another term for laziness.
Yeah.
You're just lazy. Right? You're just lazy. Right? Perfection doesn't mean a goddamn thing. It's about consistency, and it's about momentum. Right? You have the potential. How much are you making anything from this right now?
I have a few clients, but I'm not charging them. So like I probably have like 3. So
are you just using them for testimonials?
Yeah, basically.
Okay. Workouts, motivation, help young men develop their goal. See, that's not a good enough call out. Helping young men develop their goal physique.
I have to be more precise.
Is who you're trying to help young men?
Yeah.
Okay. What pain point are you what pain point are you really trying to solve? Basically, everybody wants to build a goal physique, bro.
Yeah. Like gain muscle, lose fat. Like
it needs to be a bigger pain point. Right? It needs to be a call out where like it resonates with them. Everybody wants to build a bigger physique, their dream physique. But what exactly are you helping them with that is helping them build their dream physique? A better call out would be, I help what is it? College men or professional men do blank by avoiding blank.
Yeah.
Right? That's what's going to make you convert. And you saying conversion, let me see your stories. Yeah, conversion my ass. What are you going to convert by just reposting the reels on your stories? What's that going to do?
If you click on like the JD, I do like other stories of me, but I also have like
15 weeks ago, 12 weeks ago. I'm shocked I'm not getting any clients, Fit, but I'm like all of my nurture content. Why would I buy from you? Let's be real, right?
Yeah.
You haven't posted anything of significant value aside from you just showing a couple of exercises on your page, and now you just want money to flow in.
Right.
You guys can't be like, that's not how business works. That's why I love business. If you're not really serious, it's going to expose the fuck out of you. You what?
No, that's just like some random DM I got.
So, okay, what value is this? What do you help?
I'm just trying to help as many people as I can. Like,
I understand that, but what value are you providing to them with these posts?
Like what? Health is wealth, bro. That's why.
You're just showing exercises, bro.
Yeah. All right, bro. I mean, yeah, I guess I gotta expand my content.
Yes, you gotta expand your content.
Post daily.
Yes, and you have to give actual value, not just post screenshots of testimonials. People are not gonna believe that shit.
All right, man.
Okay.
All right, I appreciate you.
All right, man. Have a good one,
man. Ciao.
Yeah. Guys, if you want to run a business, man, you got to lead with value. If somebody lands on your page, they want to figure out, can this person help me? So you need to always have nurturing on your stories. If you guys go look at my Instagram stories every single day, I'm posting something that nurtures my audience. Literally.